Welcome, beauty lovers. If you're on the hunt for the best tinted lip oils, you're in the right place. Tinted lip oils are the perfect balance of hydration and color, offering a glossy finish while nourishing your lips. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one? In today's video, we're reviewing 5 of the most popular tinted lip oils. Let's dive into their features, benefits, and how they perform to find the best one for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm is a highly rated lip oil from Rihanna's beauty brand that has become iconic for its smooth formula and universal shades. Known for delivering a glossy finish with just a hint of color, this product is loved by many for its easy-to-wear nature and luxurious feel. It's available in multiple shades, each designed to complement a wide range of skin tones. If you're looking for a lip oil that delivers shine and a subtle tint, the Fenty Gloss Balm is an excellent option. Key features. The Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm features a non-sticky, hydrating formula that's packed with shea butter for moisture. It comes with a large applicator that makes it easy to apply, delivering just the right amount of product. The Gloss Balm is formulated without parabens or sulfates, making it a great choice for those with sensitive skin. Available in several shades, including the iconic Fenty Glow, this lip oil also provides a flattering shine that's perfect for any occasion. Benefits and usage. The Fenty Gloss Balm is great for those who want a lightweight lip product that gives a subtle tint while nourishing the lips. Whether you're looking for an everyday lip enhancer or something to pair with bold makeup looks, this product can do it all. Its non-sticky, smooth texture makes it easy to wear throughout the day without feeling heavy or uncomfortable. Plus, the included shea butter ensures your lips stay moisturized and plump all day long. Usability. The Fenty Gloss Balm is designed for easy, on-the-go application. Its large doe-foot applicator helps you cover your lips evenly with just one swipe, making it perfect for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Whether you wear it alone for a natural look or over lipstick for extra shine, the Gloss Balm is versatile and user-friendly. The packaging is sleek and portable, so you can easily carry it in your purse or makeup bag without worry. Durability. While the Fenty Gloss Balm isn't advertised as long-wearing, it holds up quite well compared to other lip glosses. It lasts for a few hours before you'll need a reapplication. Because it's hydrating, it doesn't feel as dry or sticky as other glosses that tend to fade quickly. The color and shine may fade after eating or drinking, but it's easy to reapply for a quick refresh. In the second spot, we have Clarins Lip Comfort Oil. The Clarins Lip Comfort Oil is a luxurious lip treatment that not only delivers a subtle tint, but also nourishes and hydrates your lips. Known for its rich, silky texture, this lip oil is formulated with a blend of plant oils like hazelnut and jojoba, which help to replenish moisture and smooth the lips. If you're after a product that provides a dewy, comforting feel with a bit of color, this is a fantastic option to try. Key features. Clarins Lip Comfort Oil boasts a blend of nourishing plant oils, including hazelnut, jojoba, and sunflower oils, which work together to hydrate, soothe, and protect the lips. The formula is enriched with a sweet, non-overwhelming scent and a glossy finish that isn't sticky. The product also comes in various shades, ranging from soft pinks to deeper berry tones, each offering a gentle wash of color. The packaging is elegant, with a precise applicator that ensures clean application. Benefits and usage. One of the biggest benefits of the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil is its ability to provide long-lasting hydration while adding a delicate hint of color. It's perfect for those who want to keep their lips soft, smooth, and nourished throughout the day. The nourishing oils lock in moisture, making it an excellent choice for dry lips. Plus, the subtle tint it provides enhances your natural lip color, making it perfect for a no-makeup look or as a layering product over lip liners and lipsticks. Usability. This lip oil is designed for easy and precise application. The applicator allows you to apply the right amount of product without overloading the lips. You can use it throughout the day, either as a standalone lip product or as a hydrating base before applying lipstick. It also fits easily into your purse or pocket, making it a convenient option for quick touch-ups on the go. Durability. While the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil is incredibly moisturizing, it's not the longest-wearing lip oil on the market. It lasts a couple of hours before needing reapplication, especially after eating or drinking. However, the nourishing oils do provide a comfortable feel that doesn't dry out the lips, which means reapplying doesn't feel like a chore. Its moisturizing properties also make it a good product to use throughout the day for soft, hydrated lips. Coming in at number 3 is the YSL Volupté Tint-In-Oil. The YSL Volupté Tint-In-Oil is a premium lip oil that combines the benefits of a hydrating oil with a pop of color. Known for its unique tint-in-oil formula, it provides a sheer wash of color that adapts to your lips, creating a customized look. YSL's iconic gold packaging is a standout feature, making this lip oil feel luxurious every time you apply it. If you're looking for a high-end option with a beautiful finish, this is a product you'll want to consider. Key features: YSL Volupté Tint-In-Oil features a blend of 4 nourishing oils: apricot, coriander, pomegranate, and jojoba, designed to hydrate and soften lips. The formula is infused with a tint that adjusts to your natural lip color, leaving behind a glossy, vibrant finish. It's available in a variety of shades, from subtle neutrals to bold hues. The formula also boasts a refreshing, fruity scent and comes in a sleek, elegant gold tube that makes it a statement piece in any makeup bag. Benefits and usage: this lip oil offers the best of both worlds, hydration and color. It's perfect for anyone who wants the smooth, comfortable feel of an oil with the added bonus of a pop of tint. The oil hydrates the lips, preventing dryness while offering a glossy finish. The unique tint adapts to the natural color of your lips, providing a personalized hue that's flattering for most skin tones. Whether you're going for a light, fresh look or something more intense, the YSL Volupté Tint-In-Oil can do it all. Usability: the YSL Volupté Tint-In-Oil is easy to apply with its angled applicator, which provides a precise and smooth application. The oil glides onto the lips effortlessly, leaving behind a glossy finish without any stickiness. It's versatile enough to wear on its own for a casual look or layered over other lip products for extra color and shine. The packaging is sleek, making it easy to carry in your bag for touch-ups throughout the day. Taking our 4th spot is the L'Oréal Infallible Pro Gloss. The L'Oréal Infallible Pro Gloss is a budget-friendly lip oil that delivers high-performance color and hydration. Known for its long-wearing formula, this product combines the benefits of a gloss and a lip oil, providing a glossy finish with a tint that lasts. The Infallible Pro Gloss is available in a variety of shades, from nude to bold, giving you plenty of options to suit your style. If you're looking for a lip oil that can stand up to your busy day, this one's worth trying. Key features: the L'Oréal Infallible Pro Gloss features a unique hybrid formula that combines the glossiness of a lip gloss with the nourishment of a lip oil. The product is infused with a nourishing blend of oils that hydrate and smooth the lips while adding vibrant color. The applicator is designed to deliver a precise amount of product with each swipe, and the formula is available in a range of shades to complement different skin tones. Benefits and usage: one of the standout features of the L'Oréal Infallible Pro Gloss is its longevity. Unlike many lip oils that need frequent reapplication, this product stays put for several hours. The glossy finish adds shine to the lips while the tint provides a subtle pop of color. It's perfect for those who want a long-lasting, low-maintenance lip product. Whether you wear it alone or layer it over lipstick, this product is versatile and effective. Usability: the L'Oréal Infallible Pro Gloss is easy to apply and doesn't feel sticky or heavy on the lips. The formula glides smoothly, providing an even coat of color. The applicator is comfortable to use, and the sleek packaging ensures it's easy to carry around in your bag for quick touch-ups. The gloss is also buildable, so you can layer it for more intensity if desired. Durability: the L'Oréal Infallible Pro Gloss is designed to be long-lasting, providing several hours of wear without fading. While it may not last all day without reapplication, it holds up better than most glosses. The color and shine stay vibrant throughout the day, and it doesn't feel drying like many other glosses do. It's a great option for those who need a lip product that can keep up with their day-to-day activities. And finally, at number 5, we have NYX Butter Gloss. The NYX Butter Gloss is a fan-favorite lip product known for its smooth, buttery texture and beautiful color payoff. While not technically a lip oil, it combines the comfort of a gloss with the pigmentation of a lipstick. The NYX Butter Gloss provides a glossy, shiny finish with a hydrating formula that keeps your lips feeling soft and smooth. Available in a wide variety of shades, this gloss is perfect for those looking for an affordable lip product that delivers great results. Key features: the NYX Butter Gloss is infused with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and other moisturizing oils that keep your lips hydrated and soft. The formula is creamy and smooth, offering a non-sticky finish. It's available in a broad range of shades, from soft pinks to bold reds, making it easy to find the perfect match for your lips. The product is also cruelty-free, which is a major plus for those who are conscious about animal testing. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of the NYX Butter Gloss is its ability to provide high pigment color and a glossy finish while still keeping your lips hydrated. It's perfect for those who want the look of a gloss without the sticky feeling. You can wear it alone for a natural, shiny look, or layer it over other lip products to enhance the color and shine. The formula is lightweight and comfortable, making it easy to wear throughout the day without any discomfort. Usability. The NYX Butter Gloss comes with a standard doe foot applicator, which makes it easy to apply the product evenly. The gloss is easy to control, so you don't have to worry about over-applying or making a mess. It's also buildable, so you can layer it for more intensity. The packaging is sleek and portable, so you can easily carry it in your makeup bag for quick touch-ups. Durability. The NYX Butter Gloss offers moderate wear time, usually lasting a few hours before needing a reapplication. While it doesn't last as long as some other lip oils or glosses, it's very comfortable to wear. The gloss doesn't feel heavy or sticky, so reapplying throughout the day is an easy task. If you're looking for a gloss that you can wear with ease and won't feel like a chore to reapply, the NYX Butter Gloss is a great option. That wraps up our review of the best tinted lip oils. Whether you're looking for luxury, long-lasting wear, or budget-friendly options, there's a perfect choice out there for every preference. From the bold and hydrating Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm to the moisturizing NYX Butter Gloss, these products are sure to keep your lips looking and feeling fabulous. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more beauty tips and reviews.